guys, I got one for the museum here. Wait till you see the stuff that I pulled this guy off of. He's nice and melted, and he smells really good. Let me show you what I pulled this off of. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. So I'm back from the mountains. I have some bonus footage for you of some of the bonfire stuff that I did out there. And then there's a real cool place that we went to. They're called the Ice Caves. And I got some footage of that. Me and my dad going out there. Had a lot of fun the last few days. Today I'm back to the Motel 6 project heat pump to put the heat kit in and fire it up. I didn't get you guys any footage of that one just because we were in a hotel lobby area and the manager didn't want me videoing in there. But I went across the parking lot today to an Indian food place that is owned or managed by the same company, and they had an old system they wanted me to go look at and get working for them. I didn't get it working today, but I will be going back there tomorrow. But I do have some footage of that showing you this old relic gas furnace and this old relic air conditioner that I'm going to try to get going for them. So enjoy today's video. I'm back out in the field, and I'll see you guys with many more of these to come. Enjoy today's. Alright guys, so I'm still over here at the Motel 6 finishing up the heat pump over there, but I didn't get any video of that install, but I'll show you some pictures. So turned into a secondary service call here. I'm over here on the roof of this Indian restaurant that's right across the way here, and yeah, these are some old Hiles. I don't know if I can read the model and serial number. I don't know, these things are old. They might be 1980. These are some old. We'll see if I can find the badge. Here you go. Yeah, these these guys are old. That's the same unit there, but this is the one that I need to try and get working. Let's see what's going on here. Okay guys, what we have here is an old school split system. So we got the AC portion here, and then they have an old gas furnace here ducted in as well. I'm assuming they just run off different thermostat wires, but I confirmed I had voltage there. I confirmed I had voltage here. Let's see what's going on. I have it on heat right now, so let's see what's going on the inside here. All right, check this out, guys. Just as I suspected, we just have two wires, so we just have our, it's a heat-only unit. Believe it or not, this old transformer right here, I do have my low voltage coming off of it. Let me just get my leads back on there. I do have my low voltage, so we're good there. I'm going to pop this panel off, see what we got in there, and then we're going to head over to the burner compartment. But we're not getting fan or anything, so obviously this is an electrical issue. Let's go in there first. Alright guys, I took the wire nuts off and I just jumpered out the heat circuit here, and we got blower. Somebody even wrote in here, oh no, they wrote in this one it needs a new thermostat, but I think it might be this one. Go down to the thermostat and jumper and see if we can get this thing to come on. Let's go into the burner compartment. I think our inducer's going. Alright guys, so this gas furnace is a furnace that I work on. It's the same exact model that I work on at a KOA campground down the street. And what you have to do is I have to get a big long rod and it goes all the way back in there, and I got to relight their pilot, and we can probably get them going. That doesn't discount the issue that they're having with low voltage from the thermostat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire nut my my 24 volts back to the furnace, to the burners and everything, and then I'm going to go down and pull the thermostat off the wall and jumper it and see if we can get the fan to come back on. Then I know our only issue is probably going to be the thermostat and relighting these pilots, which are a pain in the ass. They really are. I'll have to take a couple, probably like an insulation pin, and get a match, tape a match on there and stick it back in there. It's the only way you can really do them. They're a real pain in the butt. And then we'll focus on the AC side, see why he isn't coming on, which is probably the thermostat most likely, or the thermostat wire. All right, this one's real nice to work on. Try not to crash through the skylight while you're working on it, but I can smell it. She's burnt up the transformer. I'll have to pull the power and see what we got for sorry, what we got for a VA on this. It's an old one. I got some regular 40 VA ones, probably be fine. Whew, it stinks in there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and snap some pictures, make sure we get everything back where it's supposed to be. Make sure we get our line voltage on the transformer wired back where it's supposed to be. And we'll go from there. Good gosh. I mean, this is a total redo on both of these units. But it's an Indian restaurant, they're not going to pay anything. Whew, look at that. She cooked. What cooked her? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and snap some pictures, make sure we get everything back where it's supposed to be. Make sure we get our line voltage on the transformer wired back where it's supposed to be. And we'll go from there. Good gosh. I mean, this is a total redo on both of these units. But it's an Indian restaurant, they're not going to pay anything. Whew, look at that. And she cooked. What cooked her? Check this baby out. Basler Electric Company. This unit hasn't worked in a long time. I don't know why they're having me fix it now, but oh well. Huh. Interesting. Basler Electric Company. There's no wait. Oh, get away, B. Sorry Sorry guys, bee was attacking me. No way that was 2011, I guarantee you that. Alright guys, believe it or not, I don't have any transformers on my truck. I got a shit ton of contactors, a lot of igniters and stuff, so I got to get geared up. I got a bunch in the shop. I'm going to restock my truck. I'll get back today. This thing has been working for, it looks like over years probably. So I think one more day they'll be okay. I'll just come back out here tomorrow with a transformer, put it in, and that's probably going to fix us. I'm going to go ahead and put an inline fuse in on my low voltage before I try to fire it back up. But yeah, we'll have some more service work out here tomorrow, and we'll get it going. I'll get this pilot lit too. I'm not going to bother today, obviously, but we'll get that transformer in. We'll clean up some stuff, get the pilot lit, and make sure everything comes on. If it ends up needing a thermostat, we'll put a thermostat on it. But yeah, babying along this stuff from oh, I think this is from the 70s, guys. I'll take some pictures of the model and serial number, see if I can decipher what they are. But these are old, been here a long time. All right, guys. So I'm gonna write up some repairs on this. But in all honesty, what I would do, this is a perfect candidate for some mini splits. If they really want to be nice and comfortable in here, you could probably get one there. A nice one there to feed this area. Probably want to put one over here for your lobby area and stuff. That's basically all they really need, because back here is space that they don't use. They could expand if they wanted to. This system shut off. There was a note on it that said it needed a new thermostat, but yeah, I don't know. There's the thermostat for it. But yeah, they could expand and have a lot more seating space in here. But I'm going to recommend decommissioning that stuff, and we could get them a 2-zone mini split real easy out here, and make them nice and comfortable. All right, let's get back to the job I'm supposed to be on, the Motel 6.